there, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a Lyon Post unboxing for you, and I unbox all sorts of style boxes. So if clothing is your thing, you have come to the right channel. Please be certain to subscribe and tap the bell before you leave. Then you'll be notified every time I open a box of clothing. So I really enjoy clothing, and I know you do too. That's why you're watching this video. So let's talk real quick about Lyon Post. Lyon Post is a try before you buy service that is going away. They are changing their direction of their business, and they are getting rid of all of the inventory in their store. With their try before you buy service, you could view the collections that they have online, and you could put pieces that you were interested in trying into a queue, and they would send you the top 4 items in your queue. As they have been reducing their inventory, almost everything has been waitlisted. But they do have something else available to, if you have credit with Lyon Post, where you can still use your credit, and I'll get into that in a little bit. But everything on their website is drastically reduced. It's at least 30% off. Some of it is 80% off now, but in the try before you buy section of their website, everything is at least 30% off, and that's what this box is. This is a try before you buy, so I could send all of this back risk-free. There's no postage. I pay nothing to receive this. They don't put a hold on my credit card. Anything that I decide to keep, they will charge my credit card. One of the things that they have so graciously given to me is a referral link, and every time someone has signed up and used Lyon Post with my referral link, they have received at least $30 in credit, and Lyon Post has extended that same amount to me. So I have a lot of credit with Lyon Post that I haven't spent yet. So what I did do is order a box with denims in it, some expensive premium brand denim, and so there's a couple pair in here. There's a necklace in here that I'm very interested in trying, and I think there's a coat in here as well. And I know that I'm probably not going to wear the denims a whole lot this summer. I'm not going to wear a coat probably at all this summer, but the prices are so good, and I have credit to spend, and that's what this box is about. This is what the box looks like, and I'll tell you what, I'm going to miss this beautiful box. They have the best presentation, I think, of all the style boxes I use. There's a personal note, handwritten, that says, "Hi Kelly, you have such great style. I am loving the Knot Sisters sweater. I hope you love it as much as I do. From your friends at Lyon Post. Hashtag farewell fitting rooms." Farewell Lyon Post. Okay, so we have the jewelry. This is pretty. This is so pretty. Let's look at it. This is by House of Harlow, which is a brand that I really like. This is by designer Nicole Richie. Oh, this is big. I thought this was going to be so much smaller. This is the Sunburst Pendant necklace, and I really thought that was going to be, see that? That light is not good. But that's the necklace, and I have earrings that I bought, the Sunburst earrings, but they are a turquoise color, and this is a black pendant. So I wasn't really expecting this, but I look forward to trying it on, and I like House of Harlow. I like the detail on this jewelry. So, okay, let me show you the bundle. Okay, I didn't realize this was a sweater. I thought that I had asked for a coat. On the website, the sweater looked like a jacket, and I have asked, in the wintertime, I was asking my stylist for a camel colored car coat, and that's what this sweater looked like to me. So, I don't know, it might work because it's a pretty heavy weight, but let's look at it. Let's open it. And I want to go straight to the sweater because it is big and bulky. This is by Knot Sisters, and now that I have it here, this is almost, this has got a lot of gold in it. it is a camel color. That's what they advertise. This is really a heavyweight fabric. It's got a collar on it. So this is not a cardigan that you can wear in the summertime, and it's double-breasted there with the pockets. You know what, I'm kind of liking this. I know this is going to be really hot to try on for you, but this feels really nice. See those buttons? Really pretty. Really pretty. Okay, the first pair, these are the ankle, Mother Looker ankle fray jeans. So these are real plain. There is no distressing on these. These are in a real nice wash. These are the Mother jeans, which have been a real good fit for me. They do have the unfinished frayed hem, and that is not reinforced, but I like these, and the reason I ordered them is because they are very simple, and that means I can wear them a lot if I decide to purchase them. And then this is a brand that I haven't tried in a long time, and I've tried them with Lyon Post, and this is frame denim, and this is Lehigh Skinny, and okay, they're a skinny. They have the unfinished hem, but they also have a little side slit at the ankle, and again, they're just a regular, you know, wash, and there's no distressing, a little whiskering in the front, but nothing crazy, which means I can get a lot of wear out of them. When I tried the frame denim before, I felt like they were really stiff, but these are a great price, so I'm hoping that these work out. Let's try it all on. Okay, I'm wearing the Mother ankle skinnies, and I'm also wearing the House of Harlow Sunburst necklace, and so I don't know if you can see the necklace. I'm wearing the Sunburst earrings that I received. I received these a long time ago in Lyon Post, and although the color is different, I do think that they pair well together. I don't know, what do you think about that? So I kind of like this. This might be my favorite brand of jewelry. I really appreciate all the detail in the House of Harlow jewelry. So this necklace was originally $48. It's on sale right now for $33.60. So I think it's such a fabulous deal. I'm so inclined to buy it. And these Mother jeans were originally $189, and they're on sale for $132.30. So let me show you the jeans. They're an ankle jean with that frayed hem there. And this is what they look like. And like I said, the thing that attracted me to them is their simplicity, that they're really not something that is going to go out of style. These aren't real trendy other than they're skinny with that frayed hem, but you can always roll that hem if you don't like the distressing. And Mother jeans for $132. They look really tight. They feel amazing. I highly recommend this brand. It's crazy expensive. If you ladies weren't using my referral link, these would be very difficult for me to buy, but I really like the ones I already have, and thinking about getting these. What do you think about these? Let's check out the frame denim. I question how different these will look because they're a similar wash and a similar cut, but these are fabulous. I mean, I put them on and I just like the way that they feel. You know what I mean. When you put on an item of clothing and you say, I really hope I can buy these, that's kind of how these feel. I think I haven't been trying frame denim because of the price tag. So these were originally $239 and they are marked down to $100.38. So I want to buy these. So let me stand back. Can you see the length of them? And they have that cute little cutout on the ankle there, which I kind of like it. So this is what they look like. They're a higher rise than the Mother. There's a lot of stretch in them, and I think I appreciate this higher rise, where the Mother jeans was just kind of a mid-rise. So these have the working pockets on the back, the working pockets in the front, no coin pocket, that's it. Just a little bit of whiskering through here, and I like these. These ones feel really great. So do the mothers. Mother jeans are great. I have some that I like. The ones that I have already are very high rise, and I think I really appreciate high rise. It's like Spanx in your jeans. It's awesome. So let's try the sweater. Please let this fit. Okay. This is the sweater. And truthfully, I want to try it both ways because I probably would wear it just like this an awful lot. So the sleeves are a bit long. Please fit. This is a medium. And that's an issue right now at Lyon Post is they don't have sizes. If you're like a size 24 waist, a 0, Lyon Post can probably hook you up right now. But for regular size people, not so much. What do you think? This is so nice. Do you guys think it looks funny? So it's oversized. It might be a little bit big, but you know I want to like it. Let me see if I roll it up, how that looks. Yeah, I like this. I like this. And you know, when I opened it out of the box, I was a little disappointed that it wasn't a jacket, but this is a nice heavyweight sweater that could be used as outerwear. Where I live most of the year when it's chilly out, but because I have jackets that are much lighter weight than this. So price on this is the Knot Sisters Elcapitan sweater in Camel. This was originally $159 and this is marked down to $77.91. I really like it. I like the frame denim. I love the mother jeans. Do I get everything? I don't know. I have to take this off because it's really warm, but I don't want to take it off. Now I want to go to Alaska on summer vacation because I would love to wear this sweater. This is a surprise. This is a surprise that the sweater is so great. I'm going to put this out there for you to see. I have 7 days to return everything. I only have a couple more items in my queue and I may stop those from coming altogether. There's some heavyweight sweaters. They're premium brands by nice designers, but they're still very expensive. And I believe I can use all my credit right here purchasing these products. If you still have credit with Lyon Post, let me tell you how you can use it. Right now, they have a buy it now. I don't believe you can even return it. That's the problem. But there's many, many items on that part of their webpage that are deeply discounted. There's a pair of earrings that I purchased for $30 is now there for $8. So if you received a $30 credit by going through my link or anybody else's link and you never used it, you might want to go look. Even if the clothing doesn't suit you, there might be some jewelry pieces that you'll be able to use by going to that big sale at Lyon Post. So I highly recommend it. I don't know if I explained that very well, but go through my referral link. That will take you to the web page. I don't know if you can still get $30 credit if you use my link right now. You can try it. You have nothing to lose. But get to the web page. Check out that clearance sale. There's some awesome pieces there. There's also been some big misses with Lyon Post. There's been some items that were not suited for my body type. This has been a lot of fun. This box has been excellent. So I have to kind of weigh my options. I anticipated getting those mother jeans and purchasing them, and now I'm kind of in love with the frame denim. I like this necklace. I love House of Pearl. The sweater I think is going to be mine. I know I will wear it. Let me know what you think about the fit on me because I know it's a little bit large, but I'm guessing they do not have a smaller size in it at this point. So if I decide to keep it, I'm going to have to pay that $76 for a sweater that's a little large for me, but let's face it, I'll be wearing it in the wintertime, so I might even have a sweater underneath it. So I think it's going to work. I can't wait to hear your comments about this one. Thank you all for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and look for another video coming from me in 2 more days. Can't wait to see you again. Blessings to you.